guys, welcome back to chemistry study group. So in this video we are going to be naming this structure. So first thing first, let's check and name the parent, that is to count the longest carbon chain. Starting from this angle, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Counting again, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the longest carbon chain is what? Hexane. All right. So next is to identify the substituent. Remember, substituent are any group of atom or atom that is not part of the parent chain. So this is now our parent chain. This is now our parent chain that we have identified, and it has 6 carbon, 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, so it is called hexane. Now the substituent we have now, we have one bromine substituent and we have one ethyl substituent, and one bromine substituent. Okay, so we have identified our substituent. Next thing, IUPAC says we should number to give the substituent the lowest possible number. So counting from this side, 1 2 3, we are in substituent. Counting from this side, 1 2 3, we are in substituent. So either way, we have substituent at position 3. So where do we start numbering? Since they are all in position 3, next we are going to number and give the substituent alphabetical order naming. So we are going to name substituent alphabetical order. If you notice, this is bromine. This is bromine. It starts with letter B. Now, this is ethyl, right? It starts with letter E. Therefore, IUPAC mandates we name substituent alphabetically. That means we are going to give preference to bromine over ethyl. Okay, so this case we are giving bromine preference over ethyl because there is a tie. Either way, bromine appear at position 3. In this way, ethyl appear at position 3. So to lose this tie, the only remedy is to name alphabetically. So this is quite different from other examples. All right. So naming substituent first, we have what? At position 3. Of course, this one will be position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4, position 5, and position 6. So at position 3 now we have what? 3 bromo. That means we are starting from this side, not from this side, because we are giving priority to bromine, and to bromine is at position 3 here. So we say 3 bromo, 3 bromo. Then we have what? At position 4 we have ethyl. So we have 4 ethyl. Then the parent chain is what? Hexane. So the name of this compound is what? 3-bromo 4-ethyl hexane. Now most of us are writing IUPAC. I just try to be silent over it because some people think correcting them, you are trying to show superiority of knowledge. Whenever you are writing, do well to separate numbers from letters using hyphen. Okay, look at hyphen. Don't just say 3-bromo and now say 4-ethyl hexane. If you write this in exam, you are wrong because you didn't follow the real principle and rule. So you have to use hyphen to separate numbers and letter, hyphen to separate numbers and letter. And after writing the substituent, don't give space. There should be no space between the substituent and the parent name. So the name should be what? Ethyl hexane. 3-bromo 4-ethyl hexane. There should be no space. That's how to write it. Okay, and don't use comma. We only use comma to separate between number and number. I want to say 3,3-dimethyl now, right? 3,3-dimethyl. So we separate the 3,3 with comma. Then we now separate between number and letter with hyphen. So don't use comma to separate between letters. Like you want to say di now, you now put comma here and say dimethyl. No. Okay, this is also wrong. So the correct name and IUPAC name of this structure is what? 3-bromo 4-ethyl hexane. If this video makes sense to you, please share so that others will be blessed. God bless you.